Okay, welcome back to the garage again. We've got something a little bit different. As some people may know, Amazon just had Prime Days, and Bluetti had a whole bunch of sales to go along with that. And for some purchases, they were offering gifts. It just so happens that I did some activity that caused me to receive a gift, and I'll put up the up on the side here somewhere the email that shows. But this is a car jump starter air compressor multi thing. It lists 81 watt hours. Here's the specs on it. It's got a flashlight, DC charging, car jump starter, which is listed as looks like 200 amps continuous, 800 amps peak. This is not something that I've seen listed on the Bluetti or Maxoak website or anywhere for sale. So I thought I'd unbox it and give everybody a look at what this is. So let's see here. Scoot that back. We've got a carry bag and this. So that is the device. Let's see what's in the carry bag here. Oh, that is a very solid feeling bag. Unfortunately, the device won't go in the bag, so you've got two pieces. It's got a little handle on it. Let's see. Oh, that side is heavy. Okay, cables. Looks like there is a air hose. We'll make some room. There's an air hose. There are a whole bunch of different DC tips. Looks like a DC-DC cable for those tips. A USB to micro cable. A Type-C to Type-C cable. And this is the high power side, I guess. There is a high amp to alligator jumper assembly. There is a DC cord charger power brick, and it looks like an AC power brick and DC charger assembly. So let's look at this guy here. So there's a light there. Okay, that button doesn't do the light. Okay, here's looks like a light icon, a power icon, and a flashlight icon. Okay, let's hit that one. Okay, that turned on a little light up here. Okay, there's a power gauge. So it looks like we are at least 25%, but less than the next one. This flap covers, okay, there's the jump start output, 14.8 volt 1 amp charge input, regular USB output 5 volt 2 amps, Type-C output, and then 19 volt 3 amp direct output for the charging tips. Okay, so if you want to use the jumper pack, I assume you plug that into there. And then it has some indicator lights. Is there a book? Okay, there's a little product manual, so we will have to see what all the functions are about. How do you use the light? Nope. Okay, so the button on the light is not the light. The button on the light is the air compressor. How do I turn on? Okay, so this button turns on that. That's curious. And then there's another flashlight icon. Okay, so that turns on the front light. The button here is for the back light. And the button on the light is for the air compressor, which is under that flap. Okay, so the air compressor's there. Looks like this has tire end on both sides and it swivels. So that, no, that doesn't come out. So to use the air compressor, you plug that in, tighten it up. Both ends of this are the same, so you screw that end onto your tire and then hit the button on the flashlight. It looks like it has an auto power timeout, so it shut off on me. There we go. And that's putting out air. Very nice. I'm gonna get this on charge, and we'll play with it some more.